Day 5. Speak without fear. Welcome to Day 5 of the 21-Day English Speaking Challenge. If you've completed the first 4 days, you're already building something important, not just vocabulary, but the habit of speaking English every day. Today, we're going to focus on one of the biggest reasons people don't speak English. Fear of making mistakes. Maybe you're afraid someone will laugh at your pronunciation. Maybe you're worried about using the wrong grammar. Maybe you know what you want to say, but when it's time to speak, your mind suddenly goes blank. If that happens to you, remember this. You don't become confident before speaking. You become confident by speaking. Think about learning to ride a bicycle. You don't learn by watching someone ride forever. You learn by getting on the bicycle and practicing. Speaking English is exactly the same. You need practice. You need mistakes. And you need repetition. So from today, stop asking yourself, what if I make a mistake? Instead, ask, what can I learn from this mistake? Let's practice. I'm going to give you some common situations. Imagine someone asks you, how are you? Don't always answer with just, I'm fine. Try, I'm doing pretty well today. I've been busy, but I'm feeling good. Someone asks, what did you do yesterday? You can say, yesterday, I spent most of my time studying. Later, I went outside for a while and talked to a friend. Someone asks, what are your goals? You can say, one of my main goals is to improve my English and become more confident when I communicate with other people. Notice something. None of these sentences use extremely difficult vocabulary. They're simple, natural sentences. And that's what you should focus on. Simple English spoken confidently is better than complicated English spoken with fear. Now let's learn an important technique. It's called the 3-second rule. When someone asks you a question, don't spend 10 or 20 seconds trying to create the perfect answer. Start speaking within 3 seconds. Even if your first sentence is simple. For example, what do you think about social media? Don't panic. Start with, well, I think social media has both advantages and disadvantages. Now you've started. Once you start, your brain usually finds the next sentence. This is how you develop fluency. Not by waiting for the perfect sentence, but by continuing the conversation. Now let's do today's speaking exercise. I'm going to give you 5 questions. Pause the video after each question and answer aloud. Question number 1. What is something you are good at? Take a few seconds. Now answer. Question number 2. What is one habit you want to improve? Speak for at least 20 seconds. Question number 3. What kind of person do you want to become? Don't give me a one-word answer. Explain your thoughts. Question number 4. What is something you learned recently? And question number 5. Where do you see yourself 1 year from now? Try to speak for at least 30 seconds. Remember, you don't need perfect grammar. You need continuous speaking. Now let's do a fluency challenge. Set a timer for 1 minute. Your topic is my biggest goal. Start speaking. You can talk about what your goal is, why you want it, what you're doing to achieve it, what difficulties you might face, and what you'll do if you fail. If you don't know a word, don't stop. Explain it using different words. For example, if you forget the word exhausted, you can say, I'm extremely tired. If you forget the word purchase, say, I want to buy it. This is a very important speaking skill. You don't need to know every English word. You need to know how to keep communicating. That's what real fluency is about. Now here's your Day 5 mission. First, Speak English for 10 minutes today. Second, answer the 5 questions from this video. Third, complete the 1-minute speaking challenge. And finally, record yourself speaking for 1 minute. Don't immediately delete the recording because you made mistakes. Listen to it. Find 3 things you did well and 3 things you can improve. Don't criticize yourself. Analyze yourself. There's a difference. You're not trying to become perfect in 21 days. You're trying to become better than you were yesterday. So remember today's lesson. Don't wait for confidence. Speak to build confidence. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes show that you're practicing. And every time you speak, you're training your brain to respond faster in English. This is day 5 of the 21-day English speaking challenge. Complete today's challenge. Keep speaking. Keep improving. And I'll see you in day 6.